What's up, YouTube? I am about to open this treasure chest from Apmex. This is a order of gold and silver that we just got, and I thought I would share it with everyone just in the form of a video. This is mine. Anyway, let's do this. All right. Check out that hard plastic case that they send it in. That's pretty freaking cool. Okay. All right, so this is the receipt. I'm not going to open that. And then what we got here. Ooh, that's hefty. All right. So this is the stuff. See how I got to open this.
It's a sticker.
Do I got to peel it?
Yeah.
Okay. From the bottom, huh? Awesome. Okay. Look at that. All right, so what do we got? That is a beautiful gold coin right there. That's a gold buffalo. Look at this thing. 2022. You can see the size of that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And so I'm going to put that back in that flip. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we got 6 gold buffaloes, and then we've got a tube of 10. These are silver American Eagles. These are also sealed here somehow. It looks like they just got some tape on there. Pop that open. Take a look in there. Oh, look, they put a little spongy thing in there. Look down in there. Check that out. I'm just going to pull one of them out. Take a look. Wow, isn't that a beauty? That's the 2022 Silver American Eagle. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So we've got 10 in this tube. Put the little sponge back in there. And then we got a tube of 20. And another tube of 20. So we've got 50 Silver American Eagles and 6 gold buffaloes. And that is our Apmex treasure chest. Thanks for watching.